Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. So guys, if you are jailbroken on an iOS version which is a beta, you must be getting this prompt every now and then, and in this video we will fix it so that you can stay jailbroken on an iOS version which is a beta, because if you update you will lose your jailbreak. The method shown in this video is completely free and it works right off the box for your rootless jailbreaks, for example like dopamine rootless or the pelrin rootless and so on. Alright, as you can see it right here, I am on this iPhone and it is already jailbroken with dopamine rootless. Now to install this tweak, open Celio and first of all make sure that Alikit and preference loader are already installed. So you will go to sources and make sure that this source alikit.space is added. You can simply open it, go to all categories and make sure Alikit is installed. Now go to search and search for preference loader and make sure it is also installed. Once these two packages are installed, you can simply head to source and then simply add this source by hitting the plus button, then typing it here and then hitting add source. So the source required is uckermark.github.io/repo/. Alright, now simply open it, go to all categories and you will find this tweak here which is beta alert be gone. Alright, so it will remove the beta expired alert. Open it and then hit get queued and confirm. So once installed, simply restart Springboard. After the respring, you will see that the beta alert will be gone. That's all for this video guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.